Thank you for joining us on another U2 apartment tour. Today, it is our pleasure to bring you this move-in-ready 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located in the heart of Canarsie, Brooklyn, NY 11236. If you've been searching for a space that blends style, comfort, and convenience, then congratulations, you've found your new home. This beautiful first-floor apartment is ready for its next tenant. The ideal tenant will be moving in immediately or by January 1st. Move-in is flexible. With a monthly rent of $2,500, you'll enjoy modern features and thoughtful design, plus heat and hot water are included. Tenants are responsible for their own gas and electricity, giving you full control over your usage and expenses. When you step inside, you'll see why this apartment is such a catch. The sleek, polished wood floors bring warmth and elegance to every room. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher, and there's plenty of cabinet space to keep your cooking essentials organized. Both bedrooms feature large closets, giving you all the storage space you'll ever need. The entire apartment is brought to life with recessed lighting in every room, creating a bright, modern, and inviting atmosphere from the moment you walk in. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This apartment includes an in-unit washer and dryer, so you can do your laundry at home, on your schedule. No more trips to the laundromat or waiting for machines to free up. No stairs, no heavy lifting, no problem. As this is a first-floor apartment, move-in day just got a whole lot smoother. There is no access to the basement. Now let's talk about location. Canarsie, Brooklyn is known for its unbeatable convenience. From here, you'll have quick access to public transportation and major highways, making commuting stress-free. Running errands is simple too, since you're close to grocery stores, supermarkets, malls, shopping centers, and convenience stores. If you're craving a meal or snack, dining options are just minutes away. Whatever you need, it's right at your fingertips. Privacy is another big perk. The owner does not live on the premises, so you can fully enjoy your space. If you'd like a closer look before making a move, we've made it easy with a video tour of the actual apartment. Let's talk closing. To secure this apartment, a deposit is required to take it off the market. This deposit is refundable if your application is declined, so you can apply with confidence. Once your application is approved, a physical viewing and lease signing will be scheduled, giving you the chance to see your future home in person before finalizing your move. Closing cost consists of application fee, first month, security, and broker fee. Don't wait. Your new home is ready for you. Call or text U2apartment at 646-504-4483 to apply, schedule your video tour, or get any of your questions answered. This apartment won't be available for long, and you don't want to miss your chance. Welcome home to your 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Canarsie, Brooklyn. Your search ends here. Thanks for joining us on another tour. Don't forget to like, share, and please comment. Enjoy.